I thought I was just having a regular Tuesday. Until my chair started feeling like a tropical rainforest. Jacob was on stage giving what might honestly be the most dramatic school council speech of all time.
And so the projections indicate an upward trend in participation.
His paper was shaking. The microphone made that awful squeaky noise. And Rachel was doing that thing where she tried not
He
to
looks like
laugh,
he's
which
gonna
obviously
throw
made me
up.
laugh more. And then I felt it. The chair. Damp. Wait, why is the chair damp? Did I spill water? No, my bottle is in my bag. Did someone spill something before I sat down? That is possible. That is very possible. Maybe it's sweat. Assemblies are hot. Plastic chairs are weird. It's probably sweat. It is definitely sweat. Okay, nobody panic. I am not panicking. I am a calm person. This is just chair moisture. Normal chair moisture. Everyone knows chairs can be suspicious. Did I pee? No, absolutely not. I would know. Would I know? What if I didn't know? What if my body sent an email and forgot to copy me in? Why does my body suddenly feel like it has left the group chat?
Freeze frame. This is what we call the denial phase. Her brain is trying to negotiate with biology. And honestly, very normal. Many girls first think it is water, sweat, and oh yes, they've had an accident. But sometimes what has actually happened is simple. Their period has started. No shame, no drama. We are just naming the moment. She has had her period. Let's pause and breathe. This moment feels huge when it happens, but it is not the end of the world. It is not disgusting. It is not a personal failure. When your body surprises you in public, you do not need to panic. You just need a playbook. The playbook move here is the sensation check. This is the play for that moment when something just feels wrong. Your brain starts racing and you are not sure what just happened. The goal is simple. The goal is to stay calm, gather information, get support. Then you just move on with that plan. Number 1, slide and check. If you are seated and something feels damp, do not jump up straight away. Stay calm. If it is safe and private enough to do so, do a small, discreet check while you are still seated. You are not creating a scene. You are gathering information. Your brain may shout, water, sweat, accident. But the check helps you stop guessing and start planning. Number 2, anchor friend. Find your Rachel. That one friend who will not scream, point, gasp, or make it worse. You can whisper, "Can you check my back when I stand up?" A real friend has your back, literally. So find your anchor friend. Find your Rachel. Number 3, hoodie shield or jumper shield, blazer shield or PE jacket shield or even scarf shield. The point is, if you think there has been a leak, tie something around your waist to give yourself privacy while you move calmly to the bathroom or to a trusted adult or another secure space. This is not hiding in shame. No, it's not. This is tactical coverage while you get support.
Are you okay?
I don't know. So I did the only thing I could think of, the tiny slide and check.
Go ahead, check it out.
My hand wasn't clear. It was red. No, not here, not in assembly, not on a plastic chair, not while Jacob is still talking about responsibility and teamwork. Rachel, I think I started.
Okay, don't move yet. I'll check when we stand.
And that is the power of an anchor friend. Not drama, not shame, just plain and steady support.
And just like that, I stopped feeling completely alone.
You're okay. We'll go together.
Thank you, Rachel.
And that is why we must all be the best version of ourselves and our school values and look out for each other.
Turns out Jacob can give a good speech when he gets control of his nerves. He may have just won my vote.
Mine too.
Let's say something clearly here. Many girls think they have had an accident. Many girls freeze. Many girls panic. And many girls have no idea what to do in that first moment. That does not make you weird. It does not make you dirty. And it definitely does not mean you failed. The truth is, your body simply started a new chapter before you were ready for the announcement. The assembly showstopper feels awful. Oh, it feels awful in the moment. But one day, it becomes a story. And maybe that story can help someone else in your life panic a little less. Is it awkward? Oh, yes, it is. But is it fatal? No, it is not fatal. You've got the playbook. You've got the tools. And you've totally got this. This story comes from the Period Playbook, where you will find the full story and other stories like it, the takeaway and the checklist. Real stories, tactical hacks, zero shame.
Okay, but what am I actually supposed to use? Pads? Period pants? What if I pick the wrong thing?
Don't worry. On the next mission, it is all about products power-ups, pads, period pants, and choosing what works for you.
To my darling daughters, if you ever feel that damp chair feeling, just know that Mommy's been there. Rachel's been there. Many other people before you have been there. And you've totally got this. Call me and we'll figure it out together.